everybody, welcome to my vlog. This is Arhaan Jung Thapa and I got the Goku toy. And here is my Goku toy. And today we're going to unbox it. And I'll show you how to unbox. First you gotta put the bottle like this. This.
Amma will help you.
Need help?
Yeah, need help.
Okay, come on.
Oh, I connect
Okay,
it.
no, this way.
Yeah, I
This way.
connect it. Connect it. I got to go. I need to go. And I'll.
Okay. Can I help you?
Yeah,
I
try.
think I need to help you, brother. And I put his head like that. Yes.
And here is my Goku toy.
Here is Arhaan's Goku. Goku dito sa ganda natin, diba?
What?
Sa ganda na Goku dito sa sila. Ito kasi.
Look at him.
I can do the Goku. Bye, everybody.
But I don't know.
Hope you give lots of life.
Subscribe,
Subscribe,
like.
like, and subscribe. Love you all.